Carburetors are not blenders, and they do not use spinning blades. Instead, carburetors use small impellers that are mounted on a spinning plate. When the plate spins, the centrifugal force pushes food against the stationary grind ring. The food is ground into very small particles, which now flow easily down the drain. Even though carburetors are very powerful, there are a few things you can do to prevent clogs and extend the life of the disposal. Avoid grinding fibrous vegetables, pasta, eggshells, or bones, as these foods might jam the unit or form a thick sludge. Additionally, any fats or oils can solidify under cold water and can clog the pipes. If the impeller plate becomes jammed, you can use a hex wrench to manually turn the motor from below. Additionally, a wooden handle can also be used to push the impeller plate. A jam might overheat the motor and trip the thermal switch, preventing the motor from running. If this happens, simply press the reset button on the bottom of the carburetor to reset the unit. Hopefully, this has given you a better idea of how a carburetor works. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.